Hello guys, we all use ChatGPT to get the information and to do more things. But the problem is in ChatGPT you can get the information up to 2022. What if you want the information after 2022? Yes, there are a couple of options, but if you just have a smartphone and quickly you need, then what you can do? Today, I'm going to show you another AI tool that will give you the latest information after 2022. And the best part is it's free and accessible with screen readers. So, what are you waiting for? You are watching V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel and Ratul this side. So, without further delay, let's get started. The application name is Perplexity. You can use this tool as a web version as well as the mobile application. For this video, I am using the mobile application. To get the links of the mobile application and web version, join our WhatsApp channel. The channel link is given in the video description below. So I have already opened this application. After opening this application, you will find three tabs at the bottom of your screen. First is Home tab.
Home, window Perplexity.
Next,
Not selected tab icon, Discover.
Discover
Not selected tab icon, Library.
and Library tab. So let's explore the Library tab first. So under Library tab, if you want to save your conversations and track your chat history and etc
Stop
etc,
recording, image, window
so
screen
you
recorder.
need to go to Library and sign up for Perplexity Library. So see,
Library, get started.
get started,
Keep track of your threads and
See.
sign up.
sign up. So I am not interested to sign up right now. Next tab is Discover tab. So in Discover tab you will find some informations.
Sign up, not selected tab icon, Discover.
So I'm going to Discover tab. So in Discover tab, let me explore what's there.
Page, not selected tab icon, Discover. Page, result image. Warren Buffett fears AI. Warren Buffett has expressed significant concerns about the potential misuse of artificial intelligence.
So here I think you will get AI related news and some informations. Now the main work which you have to do under the Home tab. So let's go to the Home tab.
Not selected tab icon.
Okay, so in Home tab you will find few suggestions on the screen. So just tap your finger on the screen.
Where knowledge begins.
See,
Sun with face. How does the sun affect Earth's climate? Enlist.
see this is the first topic or questions you can say.
The average price of home renovation.
The average price of home renovation.
Swans and fairy tales and mythology.
Okay,
Tapioca pearls and boba.
okay,
Abacus introduction to accounting.
okay, abacus introduction. So let's suppose I want this,
The average price of home renovation.
okay, average price of home renovation. So if you want to know more about this, just double tap on it and you will get the
Perplexity.
result.
Web view. Enlist.
Perplexity web view.
The average. 2. Link.
Now see,
The average price of home renovation varies widely depending on factors like
This is
location,
the answer.
size, and scope. And bank 2. Full stop. Nationally, the average cost per square foot is $10 to $250.
okay, so this is
1. Link.
thing.
Full stop. For a 3-bedroom house, the average total cost can be around Rs 45,000.
Okay, so this is the information. Now if you want to ask a follow-up, so at the below of this you will find,
What factors affect the cost of home renovation? Related.
see, some related information thing you can find also. You can explore it using swipe up, swipe down. No, sorry, swipe left, swipe right, sorry.
Icon. Image. What fact?
Or you can just ask
Ask follow-up.
a follow-up.
Window
See,
Ask follow-up.
you can find it at the bottom of your screen. So you can explore yourself. So here you can type your question and send it. See,
File search. Button.
you can upload a file and you can search it by uploading any images and all. For that you need to sign up.
Voice search. Button.
You can do the voice search also. Okay, I'll not explore or I'll not show you step by step because you can explore yourself. If you are getting any issues, please let me know in the comment section.
Stop recording.
Okay.
Ask how to find affordable home renovation
Next,
contractors.
if you
Related.
want
Enlist.
to ask your own questions, so then how to
Settings.
do
Out.
it?
Ask anything.
See, here you will get ask anything at the bottom of your screen, just above the tabs. So press double tap here
New thread.
and it will open a new thread,
Show new evidence that new thread. Settings. New thread.
and you
List.
will get
Window
a
perplexity.
keyboard.
Set. Warren Buffett fears a new thread. List. Out of new evidence that mark.
So here you
Navigate
can
up button.
type
Third man syndrome.
whatever you want.
Navigate up. E. Use voice type. Voice input. But Pro. Compilate stars. File search. But
Okay.
compilate Pro.
File stars
Voice
Pro
input.
was
New
input.
thread. New thread. List. Window. New thread. List.
So here you can type whatever you want.
Talkback. Copy last spoken. Read from. New thread. The origins of mail. New thread. Settings. Window board.
So if you want to get the information about anything, just type and send, and you will get the information. So here I'm not showing you by asking any questions, because I know you can do it. You really do it, because it's very easy. I just show you about the application and about the AI. I just inform you. So I hope you like this AI or you like this tool. So if you like this tool, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this, and don't forget to join us on social media. The links are given in the video description below. By the way, you can join as a premium member and you can get exclusive benefits. To know more, click on the join button showing at the below of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.